Okay guys, so I did a walk around of the KTM, and of course I have multiple bikes, so why not do a walk around the Ducati Streetfighter V4s. This one, yeah, it is completely modified, completely made my own. As you can see, I spared nothing actually. What I have done so far, and I'm not done yet, I have a carbon fiber rear, carbon fiber subframe protectors. I have an open clear clutch. It's a wet clutch, not a dry clutch. Unfortunately, the dry clutch is an upgrade that cost 8,000 euros, so for now it's a no-no. I changed all the bolts. I have a frame slider. I have carbon fiber winglets. For now, I have the Aero full titanium race exhaust on it, but it's going to be changed to either Acra or I'm not sure yet which one. But this one is going to be sold. Let's continue. Like I said, red bolts everywhere. I did my gas cap. The Rizoma stealth mirrors that when you fold them down are like winglets. So I got a lot of winglets. I have carbon fiber front fender, cute little eyes. I have placed my own air ducts from carbon fiber. And I have the, what is it? It's a road lock system. It is very cool because this one is on the, it's fixed on the brake, so you don't have to take it off. I have an aluminum dashboard cover that protects the dash. On this side of the bike, yeah, just little accents like red stoppers, red bolts. But this is a very cool item. It is an inline cooling system for the coolant, and there's one here and one over there. You can't see it, but it is there. It brings it down with a couple of degrees, not much, but it does the job. Yeah, carbon fiber rear fender. Again, sides, I have the Ducati comfort seat, carbon fiber cowl, whatever it's called. I see that I also have placed some caps on top. Yeah, I have so many things done on this bike that I just can't remember it all. And then the carbon fiber license plate holder that was a pain in the butt to place with the Rizoma blinkers. This setup cost almost 1,000 euros just for the holder. But it was so unique, and I'm probably the only one in the Netherlands that have this. So yeah, because you have to pay a premium for it, and you can only get it from Italy, so it's not being sold in the Netherlands so far. That is what I have done on this bike. I probably will forget something, but that's for a different time. Okay, I forgot it in the other video, but I'm going to do a cold start. It hasn't been started for a couple weeks, so I'm wondering, this is going to be loud, very loud. It is an extremely loud bike, extremely loud. So, yeah, that was it for this video. And again, if you are not entered yet in the giveaway, please see my other video where I review, well, not review, that I show off my KTM. And in that video, you can find all the details on how to enter for the giveaway. For now, guys, thank you for watching. And if you have any suggestions or anything you would like to see, just let me know in the comments below and I will respond to everyone. Please no hate. If you hate, I will just remove you from the channel and that's it. So all love, no hate. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.